Hi everyone, this is Jody from Northern Country Creations, and I thought I would pop on the camera and do a quick flip through of my 5 fly fishing journals that a company contacted me and for their Black Friday online special. So I will make it really quick, so let's just get right to it. And they're all alike. They are very similar, and if you watched my other videos, I did, kind of show, the process of some of them. So I will real quick just flip through, because I don't want the video very long, and I don't have a whole lot of memory on my phone. So there are just lots of, it's all vintage, nothing digital. There are vintage pages, papers, stationaries, ledger papers, vintage book pages, lots and lots of just, old stuff. Everything is, reclaimed secondhand, and I keep all of my junk journals like that. And I have 5 varieties. They all have the same fishing lure things on them. They all, like I said, they're all made about the same. I just absolutely loved doing this. These journals, these are kind of my wheelhouse, is, doing these type of nature type journals. I just had so much fun making these. So I'll just, like I said, they're all about the same. Of course, the images are different because the images are out of, vintage books. So the images are, different. No two are the same, but I did some stamping, a little bit of stamping. I did some rubbing on some of the pages. So very, very lovely books in many different styles. Like this one's more of a fern type, rustic. So I'll show you my line rubbing if I can find it in here. Here we go. So here's one right here that I took a stencil and I rubbed 4 lines. So there are a lot of lines inside that have been stamped. So, for journaling lines, a lot of the tags in here have that. So just very cool books that would be, it's a great gift for, the man in your life, or even gal who does the fly fishing. So once they have these images uploaded to their website, I will link it below in this video, and and then you will be able to see and how to purchase, or maybe if you have, someone that that is into fly fishing or just fishing, period. See, a lot of the cards have journaling lines on the back. So, and like I said, I won't make this too long because I don't have a whole lot of space on my phone, but it's just full of wonderful vintage papers. Just a huge variety. I just love it. And so, yep. And then they all have, they all have a fly fishing lure on them. So yeah, I mean, just wonderful. I'm just flipping through, showing you the main. A lot of them have flip outs and whatnot. So just beautiful images and old pictures. So yeah, awesome. Oops. So anyways, I just wanted to get these all showing real quick before the Black Friday sale goes up, and then I have to ship them out, and then I will won't no longer be able to have the journals, you know, to see. So anyways, I hope you love my video, and I just really quick wanted to show you those. Okay, thank you so much for watching. All right, bye-bye.